This is the Kedsum 270-pound folding utility cart. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Alright, so here's the cart. Looks like it comes fully assembled, nice and compact. It also comes with this user manual here, kind of shows you how to use it. This drawstring bag you can put the cart in, as well as this thing here, which I believe is a protective mat that you can put on the cart. Anyway though, taking a closer look at the cart itself, the handle folds out just like this, and it kind of locks into place. And then pushing the button on the top of the handle, you can extend it out. It's not exactly a full-size hand cart, it is only 3 foot tall, but as you'll see later, it works pretty well. And it has these pretty handy bungee cords that are wrapped around the bottom that you can use to strap down boxes or just whatever you put on here. The cart is mostly made from aluminum, which makes it nice and lightweight, while also being nice and sturdy. And you're supposed to be able to use it to move stuff up to 270 pounds. Anyway, on the back, there's 2 big rubber wheels, and then on the front, there's these smaller swivel casters. Now, you can use this for pretty much whatever you'd use a normal hand cart for, but since it's collapsible, it makes it more convenient in certain scenarios and makes it easier to carry around. For me personally, I get a lot of larger size boxes, and sometimes they can be pretty heavy and awkward to move around, and for the short time I've had this hand cart, I've found it pretty helpful for wheeling those boxes over to my studio. It's pretty easy to load the boxes onto it, and then it rolls around really nicely. And here's an even bigger box. This is definitely one of the awkward ones that's difficult to move, and the hand cart makes it a lot easier. And I really haven't used them that much, but if you're moving a bunch of boxes, or maybe you have luggage on here, then you can use the bungee cords to strap them to the cart. And as you can see, it holds the boxes on really well. So yeah, overall, I'd say it's a pretty cool heavy-duty hand cart. The folding feature is really cool, makes it super easy to store away. The bungee cords can be helpful as well, and overall, it works great.